Thank you.
Thank you very much, Paula, and thank you for that lovely introduction there. I'm delighted to be here today. All right. So there's so much that we can talk about in leadership, and I'm going to do almost a brain dump today, and that's why I want to have these little breaks so that you can pause and reflect on what's going on and how it applies to your organization, because it's all very well to know what you should do, but it's another matter to actually implement it and do it. And that's what I'm really interested in. I know you're probably interested in the CPD points, but if you can also take away how to improve your leadership in your organization, it will have so many benefits for you and for the organization itself. And here I'm talking, of course, about your practices. I'm going to structure this in terms of a brief introduction about who I am and what right I have to be talking to you about this sort of thing. Then I want to pose a question. Could your practice be losing money that you don't know about? And we see the importance of leadership to running practices and other sorts of organizations. I'll talk briefly about why leadership is so important, and then give you quite a lot of evidence-based fixes, if you like, to optimize the leadership in your practice. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg. And as I said, I'm going to go through it fairly quickly with you. So if you've got a pen and paper, you might note down some of the questions or put them in the chat as we go along. But first of all, who am I? Well, first of all, I'm Paula's teacher, or former teacher, and that's a wonderful qualification. I probably don't need to say anything else. But just to give you a bit about my background, I'm a psychologist by training, have a doctorate in psychology, and that gets me to focus on the human side of things. But I also have a master's in town planning, which gets me to look at the system. And this is a big leap forward that we've made in looking at leadership. It's not just about the leader. It's not just about even the leader and the team members or practice members that they work with. It's about a leadership system. So we take a very systemic approach to leadership, as you'll see. Management scientist is how I would probably describe myself now. It's not a formal qualification, but that's what I think I do. Now, my work experience, I've worked outside universities quite a lot, but I was a professor at Macquarie Graduate School of Management, now called Macquarie Business School, for 24 years. And during that time, together with Dr. Harry Bergsteiner, pioneered the field of sustainable leadership.